Unmasking the meaning of play false. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that can be quite confusing for learners: play false. Whether you've stumbled upon it in a book or heard it in a conversation, understanding this expression can add depth to your comprehension of English. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind play false together. The phrase play false is not commonly used in everyday conversation, but it is a powerful expression that carries the weight of betrayal and dishonesty. To play false with someone means to deceive them or be disloyal. It's similar to saying someone has betrayed a trust or acted in a way that is not true to an agreement or relationship. This expression comes from the notion of playing a game or role in a manner that is deceptive or against the rules. It hints at a time when honor and chivalry were paramount, and to play false was to go against the codes of conduct expected in society or personal bonds. Over time, play false has kept its negative connotation and is used to describe actions that break the moral or ethical code. To understand how to use play false in context, let's look at some examples. He promised to share the credit for the project, but he played false and took all the recognition for himself. I can't believe you would play false with me after all we've been through together. In the novel, the knight who plays false with his king eventually faces dire consequences. Notice how the phrase adds a dramatic touch and conveys the gravity of the betrayal. If you're looking to use a similar expression with the same meaning, consider these synonyms: betray, deceive, cheat, be disloyal, be treacherous. Each of these carries a similar meaning but may be used in slightly different contexts. For those of you curious about how play false translates into other languages, here's what it might look like. While the exact phrasing will differ, the concept of dishonesty and betrayal is universal, and you'll find equivalents in nearly every language, though the usage and cultural connotations can vary. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase play false. We hope you now have a better understanding of this intriguing expression and can recognize or use it in your own conversations or literary endeavors. Remember, language is not just about words but also the history and culture that give those words meaning. Until our next video, keep learning and never play false with your passion for English. Goodbye, and happy learning!